Hello, my name is Brant Palmer. I'm a product specialist with RD Equipment Company, and today we'll be talking about the TCM calibration on the Gen 4 display. We'll start off by going into the main menu option, Applications, then scroll down to Starfire Receiver, then select Starfire Receiver again. For the most part, you're going to typically see your position mode for the receiver. We're going to go into Setup, and then 3D TCM. This is where you're going to do the calibration right here on the cal button, and your 3D TCM always has to be on in order to auto track. So we're going to start the calibration process by selecting the cal button. From there, we're going to park the tractor on a flat level surface and align our rear axle with a fixed object. So it can be a road, a ditch, telephone pole, whatever you have available. We're going to line that up with our rear axle to start the calibration process. So we hit this tab here. It's going to start the calibration process. So now it's telling us basically to drive the tractor out, turn around 180 degrees, and come right back in the same position, aligning our rear axle with the same fixed point. So we're going to go ahead and drive the tractor forward and turn it around. And during that process, a new message will pop up saying the machine must be stopped in order to do the calibration. And that'll go away as soon as you stop the machine and mark on your reference point. It's a good idea if you're seeing any kind of discrepancy in your AB lines or off track. The system basically relies on the TCM calibration in order for everything to function properly. So it's always a good idea, if you're changing field conditions or changing implement, to go ahead and calibrate the TCM. So we're going to line up our point here again, our reference point on the rear axle, and then continue the calibration process. And then it says machine TCM calibration successful. We'll go ahead and accept that. And now you even have a last calibration. It'll give you a timestamp. Go back to info. We have 3D SF1. X out of these menus, and we're ready to use auto track. So that concludes our video for calibrating the TCM on the Gen 4 display. If you have any other further questions, please contact your local RDO equipment store.